Have you ever paused, gazed at a screen, and marveled at how some faceless YouTube channels seem to burst into the spotlight, gaining traction and followers like wildfire, while others remain barely seen, like whispers in a storm? It's a mystery that baffles many. But today, we're peeling back the curtain on a transformational strategy that has the potential to entirely revolutionize your YouTube journey in a way you may have never imagined. So sit tight, because what you're about to learn might just be the missing piece you've been hunting for, your channel's key to dazzling success. Let me paint you a picture, a digital David versus Goliath saga unfolding right on your screen. Small creators are not just competing, but thriving against the behemoths of the digital landscape. They're wielding strategy and creativity as their slingshot, expertly carving a niche for themselves without ever showing their faces. The obvious question, of course, is how exactly do they pull this off? We are diving deep into the essence of this tale, a narrative where creativity and analytics meet head-on in the colorful, bustling realm of the faceless YouTube channels. Let's introduce our protagonist of this timeless story, Alex. Alex isn't just anyone. Alex is a part-time graphic designer with an undying passion for animation and vlogging about digital art. With a spark of enthusiasm and a bold vision, Alex embarked on a journey to create a YouTube channel, aiming to connect with like-minded individuals but without stepping in front of the camera. Yet, 6 months in, reality struck with a certain harshness. The views were stagnant, as if they were glued to the floor, and the subscriber count barely ticked upwards. Though it might have been disheartening, Alex remained steadfast and persistent, determined to unearth that elusive breakthrough. This quest led Alex to cross paths with Jamie, an old friend endowed with a wealth of experience, a seasoned social media strategist renowned for transforming small channels into sensational successes. In the warm and bustling ambiance of a city cafe over steaming cups of coffee, Jamie posed the million-dollar question that would change everything. What's your story? A question so simple, yet so profound, it sparked a revolution of thought within Alex. This simple query unveiled a stark realization. Alex's channel lacked a compelling narrative. It was a turning point, a pivotal moment of clarity. Jamie elucidated how truly successful channels weave captivating stories into their content, stories that resonate deeply and engage audiences on a personal level. They delved into the mechanics of storytelling, discussing how the familiar story arc, introduction, conflict, resolution, isn't just reserved for novels, but is crucial for hooking viewers from beginning to end. Yet there remained another hurdle to overcome. Alex's videos lacked a consistent style or theme, akin to a wandering narrator unsure of their own tale. It was then that Jamie introduced an ingenious concept called content pillars, a strategy where key themes or ideas provide a sturdy foundation for every piece of content on the channel, lending it both focus and flexibility. With newfound insight, Alex chose 3 content pillars to anchor the channel: animation techniques, reviews of digital art equipment, and storytelling in art. This strategic blend allowed for a diverse yet interconnected pool of topics, offering endless opportunities for creative exploration. It was more than just a collection of genres or video types, it was a thriving ecosystem of interwoven stories. But this only raised further questions. How do these elements coalesce into something viral? Jamie was ready with another secret, an innovative method known as the Trojan horse strategy. Imagine a facade that appears ordinary on the surface, yet inside lies something truly extraordinary. Applied to YouTube, this meant embedding unexpected twists or unique perspectives within seemingly standard topics. For instance, Alex could produce a video titled "Basic Animation Techniques" and then pivot halfway with an unexpected angle. How ancient art can improve your digital animations. This kind of creativity not only attracted new viewers, but also kept them engaged, eager for more surprises. The brilliance of this strategy, however, shines in its shareability. Videos peppered with surprise elements ignite conversations and debates, making them immensely shareable. Yet, to execute this effectively, each piece required its own distinct voice, leading Jamie to underscore the importance of crafting an unmistakable voice and a catchy tagline for the channel, a digital signature that viewers could identify instantly. Armed with this comprehensive strategy, Alex revisited their upcoming script drafts, eyes wide open to new possibilities. There was a tangible sense of clarity and purpose behind each video concept, now supported by robust research and enhanced by intentional storytelling techniques. Success didn't happen overnight, but through diligent effort and strategic nurturing, Alex's hard work began to bear fruit. Video by video, the view count started to ascend, like a mountain climber reaching new heights. Each new subscriber became a testament to the storytelling arc, the finely tuned content pillars, and the clever Trojan horse strategy that Alex had employed. The once dim light of Alex's Faceless YouTube channel ignited into a brilliant beacon, gaining recognition and proving beyond doubt the transformative power of story and strategy in the faceless digital arena. Now, this is where you, dear listener, enter the narrative. Like Alex, you hold within you the potential to redefine your channel's trajectory. By weaving together content that melds information with stories that captivate and strategies that astonish, you have the power to completely transform your YouTube experience. And here's a glimpse into what's coming up in our next episode, a secret that delves even deeper into the universe of analytics. We'll explore how to harness the power of data not only to track progress, but also to create content that predicts trends before they become mainstream. Imagine effortlessly riding the viral wave. Can you really afford to miss out on such valuable insights? Stay tuned. Remember, in the vast, anonymous world of digital content, it's your unique voice that will make the deepest impact. No face required, just a narrative that resonates long after the screen goes dark.